Quack, 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 the sun is bright. Little ducks wake up with delight. Splash, splash, splash in the pond today. 5 little ducklings want to play. 5 little ducks in a row, so neat. Wiggly tails and tiny feet. Mama duck says stay close to me, but they run off laughing happily. Quack, 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 let's go play. Waddle, waddle on our way. Splash in water, jump and spin. Happy little ducks grin. 5 little ducks climb a hill so high. Fluffy clouds floating in the sky. Butterflies dance, flowers sway. 1 little duck wanders away. Quack, 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 where did you go? Little duck, don't wander so. Mama calls across the pond. Come back home, my little one. 4 little ducks splash and glide, swimming happily side by side. 1 sees fish and swims away. 3 little ducks continue to play. Quack, 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 hear the sound. Mama duck is looking around. Little ducks, come back today. Time to end your playful day. Mama duck walks up the hill, calling softly, calm and still. Quack, 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 come back to me. Echoes through the valley tree. Suddenly waddling down the track,